Several years ago, the Commission launched the pipeline program to help us build the water workforce of the future. There's a wave of retirements across the water sector, and at the same time, our business is becoming more technologically advanced. We're modernizing our systems, so it's really critical to get new people involved and to start building their careers. Particularly at the Commission, we're in the process of a $550 million infrastructure renewal program, including construction of our new drinking water treatment plant. And so it's really essential that we have the next generation of water professionals that are going to be able to operate and maintain these systems for generations to come.
You know, anyone who's looking to get into the water field or join the pipeline program, just know that there's something for everybody. You don't need to know necessarily what aspect you want to go, but there's something for everybody from GED to PhD. It all depends what you want and how much you want to get out of it.
Something interesting I've learned so far is like how much work it actually goes into delivering water, drinking water to your home, but also how much work goes into treating the wastewater that comes out of your home. Is very hard and rigorous process that I didn't know before coming to this program.
The thing that I've enjoyed the most about the pipeline program so far is just learning everybody's experience and how they got into the Commission, and just seeing what they like about it and just what they've done so far and how long everybody's been here, and they all really seem to enjoy it and have stayed for so long. I go to Putnam and I take a sheet metal trade where I get to do a lot of welding, and in the pipeline there's a lot of different trades that you can do that have a lot of different opportunities for jobs, and one of those opportunities for me for welding is a pipe fitter and welder, which I would really enjoy doing.
So for those that are interested in applying to the pipeline program, I would say that it is a competitive process because we only have a limited number of slots. And so we typically start the application process in January. So you can look for more information on our website. But what we look for, it's not just about grades or anything like that, but that you have an interest and a curiosity in learning more. So whether you kind of know what you want to do or you want to explore, there is a place for you here. We're looking for students who are curious, who want to learn more and want to try something new, and are just looking for a rewarding way to spend their summer.